Welcome to today's video. Today, just a very quick video. We're gonna take a look on how to paint your door handles without removing them. So if you have an older sort of car that comes with plastic handles, like the Starlet, and you wanna make them the same color as the paint, which I definitely recommend because it looks much better. That way you're gonna have, so you can either remove them, but I tried on the other side and actually came out pretty nicely. So I thought I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing, and it saves actually a lot of time because sometimes it can be hard to take off all the stuff inside the car and get to this one to remove it. So just saves a lot of time, and I think it comes out pretty nicely anyway. So I just thought I'd show the process is fairly quick anyway. All right, the concept is very easy. So basically we don't want the paint to go on the rest of the car. So the first thing is to mask really well the outside of the door handles, so all the space outside, so the paint doesn't go here, because we're gonna concentrate with here with the spray. So it's not gonna go too far. We're gonna still cover the rest, but that's pretty easy. So we wanna go really inside, so because inside is already red, so there's no point of, we're gonna just make it worse. So just really taping off all the edges, and then yeah, we're just gonna apply some cardboard on the rest of the car so we don't get some other paint. So it's important that you do it in a garage also without wind, because otherwise you risk the paint to go everywhere. So it's important to do it in a garage, in a space where there's no wind. Again, the essential thing is to go as deep as possible to cover everything that's not plastic.
"2,000 years later."
All right, after a few layers of red, it looks pretty nice and even. So the last step is to apply some clear coat. In this case, we're gonna go with some glossy one. It provides some protection from UVs, but also scratches and things like that. So some people say this one goes off or comes off after a little bit, but I did it on the other side that has been off for like 6 months. It's still perfect. So the clear is finally dry, and we can start removing the stuff, and we're pretty much done. Obviously slowly, so we don't damage the paint, but then again, now this is dry, so there's a thick clear coat on top of it, so they'll protect us. They'll protect it from hopefully scratches and things like that, but still we don't wanna risk damaging the job that we just done. So we're just gonna be careful removing the stuff, and then remove any residue with something like a polish or something like that. Now we're just gonna clean the glue from the tape with a little bit of water, and we're pretty much done. You can also use a little bit of glass cleaner as well. Just be gentle, and there you go, we're done. A job well done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.